Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. See? You see the color? Look at here. Look at here. Your color here on the other side. Okay? Okay. Start. What color? Pink. Okay. Pink color which side? Okay. Color. Only slowly. Okay. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, so that no coming out from outside. Correct. Some more. You can color some more. But that's slowly. So that no come out. Okay. Color. Yeah. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. No coming out. Yeah. Only the white color. Color the white color. Yeah. Color. Got some more. Color some more. Okay. Next. What color next? Okay. Next. What color?
Yellow.
Oh, yellow which side?
Yellow. Tita.
Okay. Oh, beber. Beber next sa Sam first ah. Where to color the yellow? Which side? Yes. On the other side, which way? Where? Look. Which one? Point. Which way? Where? Where? Okay, you can follow next to the pink na lang. Next to the pink color. Sam look. Pink, what is the next color? Okay. Okay, color on the other side, the other side beside the pink. Okay? Beside the pink. Okay, color it. Okay, color now eh.
No.
Okay. Hold the other hand. Beside the pink, okay. Orange, okay. Color the orange. On the other flower. Okay. What's next to the pink? What's next to the pink? Okay, color.
Orange.
Okay.
Nika.
Yes, correct.
Orange or blue.
Okay, color now. Slowly. Slowly, so that no coming out. Color ay. Looking ay. Ay, watch out to the other side. Orange. Okay. Okay, next. What's the next color? Red. Okay, where's the red? Red beside the pink. Okay. Okay, color nicely. Ay, color. I can, then it's beautiful. I slowly, but slowly. So that all the white will get color. Some more, good color, some more. But need to see. Okay, next color. Yellow, okay. Yellow is beside where? Yellow beside where? Correct. Okay, color. Yeah, Pepe, see? See my Pepe very good do. Samsamo. Ay, looking, ay, looking, ay. Okay, color now, ay. It's okay, Bieber is watching na. Okay, okay, go. Next. Okay. Okay, keep color. Color. Where's the yellow? Yes, where? Where's the yellow? Looking. Okay. Harder, harder. Harder.
I know color.
They like do like this.
Slowly.
Here. Liko, liko. Liko. Okay, can already. Okay, can. Hold tight. Hold properly. It will break. Hold in the middle, please. Okay. Okay. It will break. Listen, tita. It will break. Okay, color now. Yellow. Okay. Okay, next color. What's the next color? Blue. Eh? Okay, then follow there. Which side? Which side? Yes. Okay, correct. Slowly. Color all the
Tita
white.
say slowly.
Haya. Looking, ay, looking where you color, ay.
Did I say slowly?
Okay. Hold the paper. Don't hold Baby Bear. Hold Hero. Ah, Baby Bear is looking at you. Yes. You need to hold her. Okay, next ah. What color?
The bear? See?
Okay, you finish first, then you show to Baby Bear. Okay. Finish first, then show to Baby Bear. Okay. Light green where? Okay, correct that one. Okay, you can only first one by one first. Okay. Okay, green put where? Okay, come on, green. Okay, green color where? See, waiting, Baby Bear waiting One by one. One by one. Pai first hold the paper. Okay. Light green where? Light green where? Okay. Yeah. Color, I got some more color, some more I cannot see. Ay, where's the green? Green. Okay, green. Okay, light green. Okay. Light green. Color some more. Okay, color some more. Yes. Okay. Then, next is dark green. Dark green where? Okay. Then last. Last one. Last color is? Last color is? You see what color is missing there? What color is
Blue.
missing? No, what color is missing?
Purple.
Okay.
Purple.
Okay, color where? Slowly. Oh, on the white eye. Nah. Slowly color so that is nice.
The bear, see?
Okay. Next. Hold the paper, not hold Baby Bear. Okay. Okay. And then color the face. No, what color is the face?
Hello.
Okay. Okay. Okay, color the face. The other side. Where is the other side? Okay, color the face of the flower. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Hold the paper, no hold Baby Bear. Okay.
The bear, see?
Okay, color first.
The
Okay.
bear, see?